tutorial is going to be for what turned out to be a super quick hairstyle. It's this pull-through braid into a very messy bun. I had never tried this style before and I was pleasantly surprised with how it turned out. I think that it's really versatile. You could dress it up, you could dress it down, and I'm just a huge fan of pull-through braids. I think that they're so easy and the payoff is so pretty. And they're also so good if your hair doesn't really like to hold a braid because there's elastics in it. It lasts all day long. You don't have to worry about it falling out throughout the day if your hair is silkier. I'm just loving this style, so let's just jump right in. To begin, you're going to part your hair to the side and then take a small section, leaving the front piece out. Maybe this section's like 2 to 3 inches right next to your part, and secure that with an elastic into a little ponytail. Then you're going to take the front section that you left out and a piece from the back and join those together over the ponytail and secure those together with an elastic. And then you are going to take a piece kind of from the front underneath the ponytails and from the back and pull those over top the second ponytail and make the third ponytail. And because this is kind of like a down the side of your head style, we're gonna do it kind of straight down your hairline but towards the back a little bit. So make sure you're pulling bigger pieces from the back so that it looks more seamless. And then you're gonna pull another one right near your ear and pull from the back and join those together and secure with a small clear elastic. And once you get to around your ear, just stop for a second and pull these apart. And this is my favorite part about pull-through braids, is that because the elastics are there to secure the different sections together, they stay together so well and you can really pull them apart and make them look as full as you want. Once I pulled it apart, I just did one more ponytail, taking a piece from the front and a bigger piece from the back and securing them over top, just so that I had one more kind of braid looking thing before I do my bun. And then I'm just gonna get right into the messy bun, and to do this I'm just taking a bigger elastic and securing it into kind of a loop kind of bun, and then scrunching it up and taking a small clear elastic and joining it together and pulling it apart. And I really don't have a very good technique for this, but I just take this small clear elastics and make it look bubbly, and then once I think that that looks okay, I take quite a few bobby pins and pin it up and just make sure that it's secured to the side of my head and there's no too crazy pieces, although the crazier the better in my opinion. So, you know, do what you want to do. So if you guys liked this style, it turned out to be super quick and easy, and I just am totally digging it, so I hope you are too. And I will see you next time with another video.